Are you a YouTube content creator, yet you do not know your way around the YouTube studio? You are wrong. Or you don't even have the studio at all. You need to watch this particular video because your YouTube studio is actually very important for you. It's beneficial to your channel growth. And I'm going to be taking you on an exciting tour around this YouTube studio, showing you all the benefits, the features on the YouTube studio, and how it can help you for your own growth also. Alright, if you haven't liked this video, do well to like it now so that it can get to a lot more people. And welcome to my channel. That means subscribe now. Let's go. Alright, this is your YouTube studio here. If you do not have it, go and download it now from Play Store or App Store. Okay, so immediately you come on your YouTube studio. This is the very first interface you're going to be seeing. If you look here first, you see this bottom menu. Here you have your dashboard, right? You have here your content, you have here your analytics, you have here your comments, and then earn, when this is for your monetization, right? Now this is your total subscriber count. Okay, then you're going to see in the last 28 days, you're going to see your channel analytics, your views. This is just an overview. Do you understand this place? That's why it's your dashboard. It's just an overview of your last 28 days, your views, watch time in the last 28 days. Then this one, you can see the latest videos that you've created, or your shorts, or your live stream. Whatever latest content you've published will be shown here. Do you understand? Then of course your latest comments too will be here. Just anything latest will be here. Okay, now if we come over to your content, so the next thing, this is number one, your dashboard. Number two, your content. So let's tap on content. Now you can see here, if you look up here, your content, you can see your videos, you can see your shorts, you can see your live stream. If you've gone live, it will be here. Your playlist, if you've already created your playlist, it will be here. So if I come here, this is it, my shorts, my live stream, my playlist. So let's go back to my videos. Now your videos, you can sort them how you want you to be seeing your videos. If I come to sort by now, you can see most recent. This is my default. That means once I come here, I will just see my most recent videos. Okay, but here my most viewed video, if I want to turn on my most viewed video, I'll just tap on this, and then it's going to sync again and then get me my most viewed videos. But let's go back and sort by most recent. Okay, now this is it. If you come to your shorts, you can do the same. Okay, now your visibility, you can tell how you want it. Is it, you want to see your public or your private or unlisted? If I want to see just the videos that I have already published, okay, I'll just come here and tap on public and apply. And then once I apply, that is the only thing I'm going to be seeing here. So anyone that is unlisted will be filtered out of this particular interface. Do you understand? Now the next one we have is our views. Okay, so you can put it there, the one that maybe you're trying to track your progress. Okay, you've set a target for yourself and you're trying to track your progress, and maybe you want to say, okay, videos that have more than 100 views, you can put 100 here. If you want videos that are less than 500 views or 1000 or whatever, just so that you can track your progress and know what videos you need to be creating more contents from. Like maybe you have a particular type of video that when you keep creating that type of video, you keep getting more views, and you can also use this to track it, so you'll be able to know what you can focus on, what you can tilt towards. Okay, so that's that. Then here you have restrictions. Okay, if you know that you are creating anything that is made for kids, okay, you just come and use your made for kids. If you know that it's not made for kids, please just come here and use your not made for kids. Okay, but right now every of my contents are not made for kids anyway, so I mean all of my content. Now this one, clips. Now video contains clips. If your video contains clip, let's just try it so you can see. Just tap on it. Right now I do not have any video containing any clips, so if you have any video that's containing clips, why is this dog barking? So if you have any video that's containing clips, it will show here. Okay, so that's that about this particular interface. Now let's move over to the next one. That's your analytics. Once you tap on your analytics, right, you can see your and then note that you don't necessarily need to come here. You can just swipe. Okay, if I swipe to the left, swipe, you can always swipe. Okay, Now this is my analytics. This is the overview. If you look up here, you can see inspiration, overview, content, audience. This analytics is actually a very important part of your YouTube studio, so please just pay good attention to this part. Now here you can still see your views, this in the last 28 days, right? Your watch time hours, the number of subscribers you've gotten in that time frame. Then here it's going to show you your weekly recap. Okay, YouTube usually shows weekly recap so you can know how you're doing. Okay, here your top content is going to be reviewed here, and then you're going to see how people watched in real time, how much of people watched in real time, how many people rather, sorry. So now if you come over to this first part that is known as inspiration, once you tap on this inspiration tab, now inspiration tab is actually very good as it helps you, just as the name implies, it gives you inspiration on what to create. Okay, so you can come here, and I think many people do not actually know about this particular part, this particular segment. If you have a particular topic, because this can help you with your SEO, if you have a particular title that you'd like to create a video for, you can just come here and tap on it. Do you understand? To be able to see how much of your viewers are interested in that particular topic. So let's assume I tap on how to increase my watch hours. Let's just assume I tap on that, right? So let me just tap on this. Can you see very high interest from your viewers? Okay, so you can see it here, what people are searching for on as regards this particular topic. You can see how to increase fast watch time, how to gain 4,000 hours watch time. So all this can help you with your titles, how to complete watch time hours. Do you understand? You can even come here to this arrow, this right angled arrow. You just tap and then you're going to see a lot more on that. Okay, so you can even use these ones as some of your keywords. Do you understand? Now still on that, if you come over here, I will still show you another place that has this, but if you come over here, you're going to see content gaps. Now I already talked about content gaps on one of my other videos. Now some things that people are searching for but are not necessarily finding answers to those things. Okay, so these are content gaps. You can probably use them for your shorts, or you know, if as long as it is related to your niche. I would always say that. Okay, so let's continue. Let's just go back now. When you still on this particular interface, when you tap on this one, right, once you've searched for this, you're going to come here. This YouTube studio is going to also suggest to you similar videos that are doing well based on your topic. Okay, it's going to show you, so in case you want to watch them and just gain some inspiration from them. Remember, this is all about inspiration tab, so if you want to gain inspiration from them, you come here and watch. Are you feeling me? If you're feeling me, say yes in the comment section. I'm feeling you, Glory, and give this a thumbs up. Okay, so let's go back. Now we are done with this part. So if you come down here, you can see recent videos, some recent videos that people uploaded. Okay, you can see new updates, right? New updates. So if you do not know, YouTube already brought up a new update on shorts. If you're not aware, it's going to be launching on the 15th of October. I'm going to film a video on that maybe tomorrow or the next. Okay, like I was saying, your content gaps for shorts. Now this one is especially for your shorts. If I tap on this question mark here, it's just like a learn more. It's going to show me exactly what I need to know about content gaps. So let me just quickly move over to the part of this is it, content gaps for shorts. This card shows content gaps where viewers may be looking for more relevant or high quality shorts. So content gaps happens when viewers cannot find enough quality search results. Remember, that was what I said, for a specific search. So they're searching for something but they cannot find that particular thing. So it's a good one for you to now create for your shorts, as long as it is related to what you do, to your niche, right? Good. So we are done with our inspiration tab. We've gone through our overview. Let's come over to our content. Now your content is where it now shows you your new viewers, okay, watching your videos, shorts, live streams. I've not been going live for some time. I need to, and that's because of my schedule, my lights and everything. But guys, I'm back. Returning viewers is going to just show you everything. Your subscribers, basically, it's just going to show you about your content, your videos, everything you need to know about it, how your viewers find you, your typical views, viewers that watch just your videos, the ones that watch your shorts, the ones that watch both videos, shorts, live stream. It's going to show you everything, so you can know what to concentrate more on. For example, if you see this place now, viewers across formats, here I can see videos only, people that watch videos only, people that watch shorts only. People that watch shorts only are just a tiny bit of my viewers. Most of my viewers watch long form videos, and most of them still watch both of them, right? So it will help you to know whether you should concentrate more on your long form videos and leave your shorts out of your content. Okay, so that's just basically this. You're going to also see people who are subscribing from your shorts, from your live stream. Okay, so that's why I said always go live, okay, because you also be getting, so it's even very, very easy to get subscribers from your live stream because it's just right there up on your screen. Okay, so let's move to the next one. Of course, you can come here. This one is just showing me all. If you want to filter it by your videos, by your shorts, live posts, the posts on your community tab, your playlist, you're going to see everything there. Now, next one we have is our audience, right? If you tap on your audience, it's just going to show you everything about your audience, your returning viewers, your new viewers. You're just going to see everything here. Now, if you come over to this place, this is where it tells you the time your viewers are on YouTube. If you are still a very much new YouTuber, you might not get this information on your own, but what I'll just tell you is just keep posting, then YouTube is going to be able to get, it's when you keep posting your videos that YouTube will be able to get enough data to create this for you. But if you're not posting, YouTube will not just out of the blues get you the time your viewers are on YouTube. So just keep creating, it's going to appear for you. Okay, now, and then if you do not know how to use this too, if you tap on this, right, if you tap on this, you can see the time here. Now the ones that are very bright, the purple colors that are very bright are showing me the time my viewers on YouTube. For example, here we can see here that they are here from 4 on Mondays, from 4 till 6, 7, 8, 9. You know, so I'm just going to look at this and then be able to schedule or know when I'm going to post my video. Okay, but then YouTube says that your published time is not known to directly affect the long-term performance of a video. So that means you can actually post at any random time and your video will still do very well. Okay, so that's just what this part is about. This place is going to show you the demographics of your viewers, their age. Okay, here I have like every age watching my videos. You're going to know the gender watching your videos. This one is not constant. Sometimes I have more males than females, sometimes I have more females than males. Right now I have more females than males, right? So, and I'm so glad that I'm grateful that I have both gender watching my videos. Then of course it's going to show you where most of your viewers are watching from, whether from Nigeria, from Kenya, Tanzania, Tanzania, South Africa, wherever your viewers are watching from. It's going to show you the geography, and then your titles, your viewers that are watching without subtitles, your viewers that are watching with subtitles, so you know whether to start imputing captions in your videos, so it would help to reach a larger audience. Subtitles in your videos so you can reach a larger audience. Okay, then your watch time from subscribers is going to show you, hey my god, if you're watching this video and you're not subscribed, why? I'm looking at you with my left eye. Subscribe right now. Okay, now what your audience watches, this is actually a very good part. Now this place, it's going to just show you, okay, most of your audience are interested in these kinds of videos, so you can be able to know what to tilt towards. Okay, so Mama Sonia is here. I love her. Most of my people watch her. Anna James, she just came back on YouTube, and I'm glad she's doing so well. I'm so glad she's doing well. Then we have our mommy that teaches us how to make money also. We have her. We have this lady here. I don't really know her. Then we have plus 10 more. You can see what your people are watching. If your video is part of this, let me know in the comment section. And then let's come over here. We can see channels that your audience watches. Of course, we have Vibe Sonia and others. Okay, then formats that your viewers watch on YouTube. So most of my viewers watch both videos, shorts, live, blah blah blah. Yeah, so that's it. So that's going to show you that. Now coming up here, you can see these beautiful icons that are here. If you tap on this, it is just as though you want to upload something ahead, so you can actually do that. If we just select something, you can actually upload directly from this place. So you just come here and then tweak everything you need to do, add your titles, description, your thumbnail, your everything. Okay, so that's how to do that one. Can you see? It's just YouTube Studio. If you do not have it, if you do not have it, if you do not know how to use it, why then do you have it? Okay, now here you have your notifications. Okay, my people watching my videos, you can see my lovely people, blah 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 blah. Enjoy your positive energy. It came through so clear and pure. For that alone, I give you a thumbs up. I love you. Thank you. Extra donaire X. Okay, so here you can see policy. Yeah, if you have any video, this one, I think I had one video that had one copyright issue. That was a short. I used one music like that, and immediately YouTube gave me that. Oh no, I went to delete it immediately. Anyways, I have a you don't necessarily have to delete that video entirely. You can just remove the copyright feature there, and then your video is good to go. But that was a short, so I didn't just bother. I just went to delete it and reposted without the music. Then here we have analytics. Okay, this is where your YouTube weekly recap. Remember I mentioned it when I first started taking you through this exciting tour, so you can see it here. You can always check this. It's good so that you know how you are doing, your achievements. You're gonna see it here, your comments you're gonna see here, and yeah, that's it. And of course you have your profile picture. You can say your username and everything. If you want to edit it, you want to change it, you can come here and change. If you want to change your banner, you can come here and change your DP, your profile picture. You can come here change. If you want to change your handle, you can come here change. If you want to change your description, you can come here change whatever links, blah blah. Your home tab, show your channel home tab to highlight. And yeah, if you want your channel home tab to be shown to the public, you can just come here, and if you go to my page now, you'll see that it is highlighted there. Let me just click this little button here. The For You section recommends content based on your viewers' interests. You can decide the type of videos that it shows and highlights your latest videos. Learn more. Okay, so that's it. Remember I created a video one time on what you should turn off on your YouTube studio, so you can go ahead and watch that particular video, because I talked about the For You section, all of this, right? So you can go ahead and watch it. I'm going to link it as my end screen at the end of this particular video. We are already getting to the end. Remember you can come here to do one or two on your settings. Okay, you come here and blah blah, and that's it. Now if we come over to this place, this is your comments. We don't need to dwell so much on this particular place because I already took you through the comments section, right? So you can always come here to see your comments. I've not even responded to some. I'm going to do that, okay, as soon as I can. Then you come here to your earn. You come here to your end. This is where you can track your threshold. Okay, you just come here to see, of course I'm going to block it. You come here to see the number of public hours you've already gotten, and then your public shorts views. You're going to see it here. If you want to chat and email support, YouTube creator support and tools, you just come here and it's going to load up, and then you can get in touch with them. Let me go back. Copyright match tool, you can go over this also, just to be able to ensure that your videos do not have any copyright claim. So you're going to just come here and read up and know what it is that you can do that can place a copyright infringement on your video, so you'll be able to avoid all of these things. Okay, so it's going to also show you how you can review and act on your matches. So it has already, there's a breakdown here. So if you're a content creator, you should come here and check all these things, because it's just useful content. It's external links and cards and end screens. If you come here, it's going to show you everything about end screens. I already created a video on it. It's on my channel. Very simple how you can do it, but you can also come here and just read up on end screens. Okay, and just come here and read up on it. You can use your videos as end screens, playlists, subscribe your channel as end screens. At the end of this video, you're going to see an end screen. Okay, a live and direct example. Okay, so that's basically that about our YouTube studio. Let me know if there was something that I didn't say here, or if there's something that you probably did not get or you want me to elaborate on, and of course I'm going to do that. like and subscribe now. Share this video to your friend and tell a friend to tell a friend, tell a friend. Now that you know how to use your YouTube studio, you need to now know how to start using this studio to recommend your videos the right way. If you haven't watched this particular video that I put up here, go ahead, watch it now, and then start implementing that on your YouTube studio. I wish you all success on your channels. Bye.